We are at Carlisle and Waxahachie, Texas. We're looking at a 2015 Denali HD Duramax GMC Sierra. Call us at 972-938-8000 if you're looking for a lifted truck. Shop us at carlislegm.com. Bed liner, bed caps, bed rails, tow package, bumper steps. Give us a call, 972-938-8000. If you're looking for a lifted truck, this is a really nice one. Call us now, 972-938-8000. Shop us at carlislegm.com. We're 20 minutes south of Dallas. We're easy to find, easy to get to, easy to deal with. Call now and leave a deposit, because this one will not last.